Ni kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Na ka Jingdap ka baret ban ai ka Jingshakri shakipat ba lengba kilat Jing Sumar. Ningkong shuwa da ka ba ai dawai bat hado bakan da kiu arten kum ka jaka Sumar ka basani. Ka Nazareth Hospital Shillong menta keladap nrepo Snem pura. Bat kum si benta ban penkut no ya ka Jingrakhe yang niu momer. Haka nyu terik mentau benai no pra arjana kat khandai. Kinong penya kam jong ka ni ka hospital kila lum ya ka jelang ban rakhe khaddo ya ka ni ka Jubilee. Haka ba Menteri Ketnat ke koi ke kia ke jela uba AL heng ulalong kongsan. Nalor Menteri Sarkar akan ke sengi lai dan rengkat ru ke MLA jong ke Shillong East Constituency ke Dr. M. Amporin Lyngkhuh nangta bat ki wede ki riu pokmat ke ni ke jela bat kirang ba nong syarai niam jong ke balang ke teleng ke balang ke belasangi ke ni ke hospital haki Snem ki ba mensua.
Year of Jubilee, a time of celebration which we are doing, but it's also a time of introspection. How have we reached this far? And what is the reason that we have achieved it? Can introspection help us to see where we have faltered in the last 60 years and stand up from that to something better? To move on from failure to something better, to help, to make that failure a stepping stone for something which we can do for our people. How can that help us, our introspection help us to build on what we have done well so that we can go on to bigger and better things so that people will be blessed and helped. There are many reasons why we have been able to reach this milestone, but I am only going to touch on 3 things at this time because we cannot go into all things which have brought us here and which we still need to go on as an institution which will be a blessing to our people. And the first of these which I found is a group of people or a foundation of sacrifice. Sacrifice, people who started this institution, the sisters, we call them the Spanish sisters, it was a sacrifice to come and start. And it has always been this, it has to be built on a foundation of sacrifice. And we need, if to be able to reach this stage, we have had to have a group of people who are committed to this cause.
To Nazareth Hospital, that the last act of our late Archbishop was with Nazareth Hospital. On the 16th of September, we had the last meeting, the governing body meeting, and precisely one main point in the agenda is this celebration. It's not Sister Nori. This celebration. We had fixed the date, what to do, and how to do it, but then things happened. His Grace passed away. He didn't do any more official act after the meeting with Nazareth Hospital because it was already late in the night, and I drove him back home. And the following day, he went to Rome for the Adliminal visit. So it was with Nazareth Hospital that His Grace had the official act.
We are reminded of this mission of the Church. The human face of the Church shines best by the dedicated service of thousands of religious sisters, medical and paramedical team in numerous hospitals, dispensaries all over the world. Nazareth Hospital stands as a symbol of God's healing touch in the city of Shillong, reaching out to thousands of sick people near and far in the state of Meghalaya. In the past 60 years, he has brought health and happiness, care and consolation, thousands of sick persons to their relatives and friends, and also assisted several to pass from this world to the next in peace and serenity.
We, the people of Shillong, want to take this great opportunity of saying thank you, Nazareth. As a legislator of the constituency, I am very aware of the problems that you've had from time to time. These problems that you've had were deterrents, were challenges that actually molded you into a better institution. I cannot imagine that there have been times when the board members, along with the administrator and of course the chief medical officer, were put to test. And I must congratulate you on the fantastic way in which you have handled every crisis in this institution. Despite the fact that your faculty sometimes does seem to challenge you, they actually do that only because of the circumstances that they are in. Because I have met hundreds of staff who have gotten into government agencies and are now working with the government in different capacities that have told me personally, nothing like Nazareth Hospital. So that's the joy you get out of all those experiences that you've had, knowing full well that you will come full circle and you will have only feelings of gratitude that we all feel for this great institution. The Holy Cross sisters have done very well. We shouldn't forget that we salute the pioneers of this institution, but it is this generation which is the most difficult generation, and it is this and the problems that it entails that the Holy Cross sisters have to deal with. We are so close to any kind of action that can be taken either by the patients or anybody else. But yet, every time that the sisters have undergone that kind of a pressure, they've come out successful. I want to thank the doctors who are always in support of the management. And I want to thank the nurses for their wonderful support on behalf of the constituency. I thank the Nazareth Hospital and I wish them the very best in the celebration of the Diamond Jubilee, and I hope and I pray that you will grow stronger and you will continue in your efforts to serve the people of the state with a smiling face.
This is the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the Nazareth Hospital, Shillong, which concludes with today's ceremony. This voluntary non-profit organizations, which initially started in 1959, and humble outpatients treatment center, has through the years seen progressive expansion with a rich heritage of service capturing the ever-growing needs of society. Since its inception, it has gone through many stages of development and progress, providing emergency services, general services, and specialty services around the clock. The hospital holds the status of referral at the teaching institutes and also a frontline, both in academic and the patient services. It is laudable to know that the organization is running the Rapsbourne School of Nursing, which various courses and also have received recognitions from the National Board of Examination to start DNV courses for doctors. Through the selfless service sacrifice of the management and all stakeholders of Nazareth Hospital, quality healthcare services is being provided to the people of states that not only in these institutions of repute, but also to the community through the community development program. The Department of Health has been striving to ensure that proper health services are provided to the entire populations of the states. And all of the employees, this hospital will be able to meet ever-growing expectations of the people, especially the sick and the needy. With these few words, I extend my best wishes to the Nazareth Hospital, and I thank you for inviting me to this grand finale of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations. May Nazareth Hospital Shillong continue the good work to go from strength to strength. Thank you, Jai Hind, and God bless you all.
Lord, we thank you from our hearts for the gift of your servant, Lord. Dominate
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Lord, you have led us these 60 years through all our days, our joys, our tears. It is your hand, now let us true today and forever. You're worthy of praise.
You deserve it.
Dancers of Nazareth.